All right, here's a little bit of a review on an initial review. Just purchased this on a Facebook Marketplace, actually, which is the Philips PA1200B power amplifier. Does look like the lights are on, but they're actually not. I believe the lights are burned out inside here, but otherwise the thing works perfectly. So I'm looking for a manual, service manual for it. Haven't been able to find one online, but we'll write off to Philips and see if they have one. What I want to do is probably recap and do some internal work on it just to bring it up to spec. And but as it stands right now, other than the VU meter lights, which are the VU meters are actually quite cool. I've never seen any this large. Well, I have actually on some other amplifiers, like the Techniques had a series of amplifiers that were big VU meter things like this. Sound is absolutely fantastic. I've got it hooked up to my Quad 44. It's a little bit tricked out in the paint scheme and everything as well. I do have a Quad 303, which I normally have made it up to this, but for the time being I'm using this just to demonstrate, and the amplifier sounds fantastic. Actually, it's got lots of headroom, rated at 150 watts per channel, RMS into an 8 ohm load. It's got 2 speaker capability, so speaker A, speaker B, or sorry, 4 speakers. So you'd have a bank of 2 speakers, speaker A and speaker B. And just an on-off switch protection circuit, so the protection circuit works fine. When you power it up, you hear the click, and it goes from the red LED over here to the green one to indicate that everything is copacetic. And what we'll do here is we'll play a little bit of a tune here, just to see how it vamps up. So I've got the volume turned down right now. So here we go. I've got it playing through these Acoustic Research AR38S speakers that are in pristine condition and sound fabulous. And there you see the amplifier. You can see the VU meters dancing a little bit. We're not into the song yet, but there's the speakers. And I'm playing it on a Thorn's TD165 tricked out turntable, similar to the Quad 44. And here we go. Amp sounds just fabulous. Crank it up a bit. And we're playing a little bit of Flock of Seagulls here. Not for very long. There we go. I don't want to trip off any royalty claims or anything like that on YouTube here, so hopefully that was short enough burst. So there you have it. We've got a really nice amplifier, the Philips PA1200B power amplifier. There's a small little nick here, but it's actually it's just paint. There's actually no depression or anything, so I can doctor that up and make it look good again. So yeah, no, it's in the cabinet's in really good shape all the way around. I also have the matching tuner, which is similarly, I'm looking for manuals for it. The PT660B synthesized tuner. That works fine. I just need an antenna, but it's pulling in stations even without an antenna. This one's a little dusty. This is the problem child. Right now it's got only one channel, the left channel, is working, but and you can barely hear the right channel, so I'm going to try and do a recap job on that. And again, similarly, I'm looking for the manual for this. It's a PA 1000B preamplifier. So lots of inputs, 2 phono inputs, tuner, auxiliary CD, 2 tape monitor loops, and bass, treble, balance, subsonic filter, mute, loud, and power switch. So we'll see if we can get that thing running up to snuff as well. So right now I'm concentrating on the amplifier, and then I'm going to probably open up these and see if I can, might be some solder joints, so resolder some of the terminals and have a look at the board, see if there's any burnt out capacitors or anything like that. So there you have it. There's my new acquisition, and we'll play with it and see how she sounds as we go. Thanks for watching. And then I'll do another, once I get it all up and running great, I'll do another review video and probably have it working together as a complete system. So thanks for watching. Obey all further alarms.